Ma'am,
Yes, Rohit.
ma'am, I have a test on linear equations tomorrow in school, like just a class test.
Just a second, Rohit. Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rohit. Now speak. What are you saying?
Ma'am, I have a class test on linear equations tomorrow.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
can there be a question on plotting the graph? They
yeah,
can
if
ask.
you have a doubt in your syllabus.
No, ma'am, no doubt. I just wanted to know if they can. I just wanted to know how many marks the graph question will come for.
Okay, in Euclid geometry.
No, ma'am, a linear equation, the
You
graph
have
question. Yeah,
you
ma'am.
okay, okay. But I think the last test of the Euclid geometry, now you gave me.
No, ma'am, I had a doubt. I just wanted to know how many marks will the graph questions in linear equation come for?
But I don't have your marks, na? Because from my side, I am
No, ma'am,
starting.
like I'm just asking in the exam, if they ask a question of the linear equation 2x plus 5y is equal to a certain value, plot the coordinates on the graph, how many marks will that question come for?
Approximately 3 marks only.
Ma'am, 3.
Three. Because now linear is a very simple one, na? So only the marks will be 1 marker question comes, 2 marker, and then last 3 marker.
Ma'am, no 5-marker questions will come from that chapter.
From this chapter. So there are 2 questions coming then. 3 plus 2, like that.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. You will split that one. Na? If the chapter is coming, so there are 2 questions are coming, I think. So that would be 3 plus 2. 5 marker not coming in linear.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so I only need to practice the in number system. 5 markers will be the point plotting the root numbers on the graph, right? On the number line.
If in linear the 5 marker comes na, so that there is a 5 points.
So ma'am,
Suppose
each point is one mark,
1 mark, yeah. Suppose each point is 1 mark, something is abscissa, ordinate, what are the vertices, like that questions are coming then.
Yes, ma'am.
Will come that type of questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And
Ma'am, yes,
rationalize
ma'am.
is very important. So rationalize
Ma'am,
count.
I understood the concept. I've been practicing maths every day.
I will explain that one, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Note it
Ma'am,
down.
my maths exam is on 15 July. So could I post all my doubts on
Yes,
the...
yes, sure, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm going out of station for 5 days. I will come back on Tuesday. That's why today I am taking your session
Yes,
because
ma'am.
I'm
Ma'am, can
going.
you
So
send it on Wednesday? I'll send my doubts on
yes, yes,
Wednesday.
you will send it to me, and Wednesday I will take your sessions and solve your doubts.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your math session is on next week, Wednesday.
All right, ma'am. Ma'am, so no maths test this week?
Yes, Rohit.
Ma'am, we'll have a subjective test on lines and
No, no,
angles, right?
you have a subjective test on Saturday or Sunday. I'm
Ma'am,
making
lines and
your
angles,
test.
right?
Hmm. Lines and angle. Lines and angle topic, I think, now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Now, see, the P is the midpoint of AB. So that AP is equal to BP because P is the midpoint. Then angle EPA is equal to DAB. That one given. But in the center one, there is one angle, EPD. So that you will add EPD in both the side. EPA plus EPD, DPB plus EPD. When you will combine, so that you get APD. And DPB plus EPB, if you will combine these two angles, you will get BPE. Now see the figure. After that, you will prove the congruency. Okay. Now write it down first, and then I will tell you the first and second part. Now I am writing first and second part in which you have to prove the congruency. Okay, so match your steps. So these three steps and the congruency is ASA, angle, side angle. You have to prove the congruency, and after that you will write by CPCT. The second part you will prove. Now note it down, and after that you will revise the next part. Same steps you have followed. Okay.
Ma'am, once can you say the full form of CPCT?
Yes, Sampath?
Ma'am, once again, can you say the full form of CPCT?
Your voice is not coming clearly, very slow. Write it on the chat box. CPCT means congruent part of congruent triangle. This is a mandatory you have to write in every question. If in question the demand is you have to prove. So that first you will prove the congruency. After that you will apply the CPCT. In the previous question,
Okay,
we
ma'am.
have proved the congruency. And in question, the second part is you have to prove the AD is equal BE. So you have mentioned the criteria always. By CPCT, we can say that AD is equal to BE. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now do it the next question. Now start to do it. After that, I will help you.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Likita.
ma'am, in our school, our teacher said the full form of CPCT is corresponding parts of congruent triangle.
Corresponding parts. Yeah, it's corresponding. What I am saying?
Ma'am, you was telling congruent parts of congruent triangle.
No, sorry. This is a corresponding part. Sorry. Actually, na, I told before that one na, in notes. So by mistake, I say that. This is a corresponding part of congruent triangle. But the short form is CPCT. Corresponding part of congruent triangle. Now you are trying the next one.
I'm done.
Now you will start to do the first part firstly, in which you have to prove there are two triangles AMC and BMD. So that would be AMC, that would be BMD. Now you have to prove the congruency. Write it down. After that, you will prove DBC is 90 degree. So firstly, you will clear your first part. Okay, then do the second one.
Excuse me, ma'am, you are in mute.
Okay, sorry. So CM is equal to DM, that would be given the first point. And the second is AMC is equal to BMD. This is a vertical opposite angle. The third one is AM is equal to BM because M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. If M is the midpoint of AB, that would be AM is equal to BM. So what is the congruency? The SAS.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, SAS congruency, you have proved the congruency part. But the 90 degrees, it is not easy ki by CPCT you told that this is a 90 degree. No, you have to prove like this. You will take as BCA, angle BCA plus DBC sum is 180 degree co-interior angles. BCA value is 90 degree. So you have to find the DBC then. Okay. And BC is the transversal also. So you will write some points also because this is a geometry chapters. And AC parallel to BD. So BC is transversal which intersect parallel lines AC and DB. Now the last one you will prove. You will try to prove, okay? The last one. Okay, just a second. Then I will tell you the third one. So in triangle DBC and BMD, you will write like this that BDCA is equal, proved, DBC, ACB each 90 degree, BC is common, so that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, and you have to use the CPCT part also. Means in the CPCT, after congruency, you can say that DC is equal to AB. That called CPCT.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you will write like this also. After congruency, when you have proved the congruency part, then you can write. Okay, this is a congruent. Now note it down and then by complete this exercise, revise at once. 7.1 has finished now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye. Oh, bye. 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 Bye.